Here's our learning target today. How can I decompose fractions? So, decomposing is breaking something into smaller parts. So if you think about a fraction circle, if you had the fraction 3/4 and you broke it apart into smaller parts, that's decomposing. So if you took that fraction circle apart and looked at the parts. So here's my question for you. Speaking of 3/4, here we have 3/4. So the circle is the whole. Here we have 3/4. So my question is, what equation, so like a number sense, can you write to show 3/4 as the sum of these red fraction circle pieces? So what's one equation you can show, basically, that would add up to 3/4 using these circles? It's not equivalent fractions, it's just using this drawing to add them, to show an equation that would add up to 3/4. Bring that to group.